In this module, you will explore the options for setting crop and cut marks. With the job imported into Job List, double-click on it or right-click and select Edit to open the job in Job Editor. Click on the Finishing tab, and the first panel on the list is the Marks panel. Select the checkbox on the right-hand side of the header bar to enable the Marks feature. You have your choice of setting cut marks or crop marks. You cannot add cut marks and crop marks to the same job. Under crop marks, if you have already created a preset, you can click on the preset box and select it. Below the presets box is an area where you can select the type of crop marks you wish to apply, including standard, corner, frame, tombow, as well as the two photoba options. With the line color option selected, you can click on the box to the right and select the color you wish to use for your crop marks. If your printer supports the use of white ink, you can select the white ink option. Zooming into the graphic, you can see that white ink crop marks are displayed using a gray color. They would, however, print with white ink only. You can also select the thickness and the length of the lines, the distance between the job and the crop marks. In the bleeding options section, with the cut image option selected, if you were to enter 1 inch as the value in the left-hand side crop mark, this crop mark will have moved 1 inch into your job, showing that 1 inch will be trimmed off of the left side of the job. If you select Add Frame, the crop mark is moved outside of the image area by 1 inch, showing that there should be an additional inch of media left where the final job is trimmed out. If you find that the crop mark setting that you have just configured will be regularly used, you can save them as a preset by clicking on the Save Presets icon, give the preset a name, and click Save. This preset will then be available in the Presets box for any other job on any other printer and can also be selected as the default setting for any workflow by using the Server Manager. Selecting the Cut Marks option allows you to work with cut marks for standalone cutters that are driven with their own front ends, or, if they do not have any software front end, with the optional EFI Cut Server application. To set up a job for use with cutters, you will begin by selecting the cutter manufacturer, and then the model of cutter that you will be using. You can then select the type of cut marks and also choose the option to send to Cut Server after printing. What would be sent to Cut Server is the actual cut line file from the document. Notice that the cut marks color and bleeding areas are grayed out. This is because your Fiery system will add cut marks that have been pre-programmed for the selected color device. Another option would be to select Icut as the manufacturer. Many cutters on the market are Icut compliant devices. Once you select Icut, you can enter the number of desired cut marks, which are the small registration mark circles that the cutter will use for job alignment. You can also specify the distance between cut marks, select the color, and other options. I have imported another file into the system that includes contour cut lines. If you click on the Contour Cutting button, you will see a list of any cut paths that we've detected within the job. Bounding box is an option where, if selected, your Fiery system will generate a cut path based on the bounding box of your job. If you have an Icut compliant device or a Zund G3 or S3 series cutter, you can also utilize the Barcode option. Click on the Barcode button, and in the Barcode window that appears, select the Barcode checkbox. This will add a barcode to your job. You can select the option to have the barcode appear at the top, the bottom, or both top and bottom. You will see the barcode appear in the preview image. Click OK to accept your settings. Once again, if you find that you will regularly use this configuration for cut marks, you can click on the Save Preset button, name the preset, and save it. You can then apply this preset to additional jobs, or in the Server Manager, set it as the default for any workflow. For additional information on working with cut marks and cutters, please refer to the Fiery XF7 e-learning course, Working with Cutters. This completes this module.